Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Swing channel. Today we are going to make cute and nice flower. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 2.5 centimeters and length 32.5 centimeters. At the starting of the ribbon, please mark half centimeter as shown here. This half centimeter will approximately become 0 when we join the both ends by giving heat touch up. Now with the help of the tape, give a mark with a gap of 2 centimeters as shown here for entire ribbon. After completion of marking, join the both ends by giving heat touch up as shown here. Take the needle along with thread and give a running stitch on the marked place as shown here. After completion of running stitch, pull the thread from the both ends of the ribbon and give a secure knot and remove the extra thread. If you observe clearly, there are many pleats at the center. Now give a stitch as shown in the video, alternatively leaving one pleat for entire flower. After completion of stitching, pull the threads from the both ends and give secure knot. Now remove the extra thread. Now adjust the flower as shown in the video. If you flip the flower, for every pleat, at the bottom corner, give a heat touch up to get the proper flower shape. Now adjust the petals in proper position. Now beautiful flower is ready. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.